Hey, welcome back guys. Today we're breaking down the Creators Alliance, a platform that's been hyping up big returns for simple tasks in 2025, but it's got scam rumors swirling. So let us dig into it and get the latest info into it. So this one pitched itself as a video content gig, invest in packages, watch videos, click buttons, and cash out daily. You'd put in USD crypto starting at $130 for promised returns like $5 daily. It blew up in places like the Caribbean and Europe, but by April 2025 it crashed. Websites down, WhatsApp groups gone, and thousands left hanging. So what worked? Early joiners in late 2024 say they got paid. Some pulled out their initial cash plus profit, especially with referrals. Posts on X back this up. Folks in St. Lucia and PR cashed out small sums. The hook was real enough to lure over 50,000 people before the rug pull. Now the ugly truth, it's a textbook Ponzi. No real video business, just investors' money paying old ones. Withdrawal delays hit in March 2025, blamed on taxes. Upgrades, then proof, gone by April 2nd. So guys, Creators Alliance was a scam. Yearly payouts were a bait, but collapsed like MetaMask did with $200 million. If you're eyeing similar apps, skip anything promising easy cash with no products. Thoughts? Drop them below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.